Why is my ad disapproved? If your ad isn't running, it may be because it has been disapproved. You can check it by clicking on the status of your ad. An ad gets disapproved if it violates Google Ads policy. But don't worry, these can be resolved. Here's a quick breakdown of some of the common reasons for an ad to be disapproved and how you can fix them. Landing page. Your ad will be disapproved if the landing page is broken or has other issues. To fix it, ensure your website landing page is fully functional. Ad content. Your ad will be disapproved if it makes claims that can't be verified on your website, if it mentions copyright content or advertises products or services that are inappropriate to advertise on Google. To fix this, edit a copy of your ad or update the products you choose to advertise. You'll be good to go. Grammar, spelling and capitalization. To ensure a good experience for users, Google checks the grammar and spelling in running ads. Because a search result page full of uppercase words might feel overwhelming, Google only allows capitalization of the first letter of each word. Other policies. Ad policies cover a number of other areas to guarantee a safe and positive experience for Google users. Google will review your website content to make sure it complies with applicable laws and regulations.